Hey guys, Joe here, 690 690 Garage. Here's another tip in 2 minutes or less of the day. One great thing to have whenever you're just doing local travel or doing long travels. Tank bags. I know I don't talk about them a whole lot. Now you've seen mine. It's a Dowco. It's a Fastrax. This is going to be down in the description if you want to pick one up. It's awesome. I love this thing. Super light. It straps down super tight. I mean, it's basically part of the bike. Nice thing about these bags is, guess what? You've got the shock cord up here, gloves, whatever you want to put in there. Open it up. Dun dun dun. You can literally, you'd be shocked what you can put in a tank bag. All sorts of stuff. Just basically from basic meds to oil, lubes, Rain-X you see in there, zip ties, we did a talk about that, pressure gauges, all that stuff. These things are fantastic. If you're not used to a tank bag, they're a little weird to get used to, but I'll tell you what, once you do get used to tank bags, they're awesome. If you want to pick up one like this, just like the 690, guess what? Fastrax by Dowco. Fantastic tank bag, and it's pretty cheap, about 60-something bucks. You can't beat it. Anyway, this is your tip in 2 minutes or less. Pick up a tank bag, and I think you will thank yourself. You have a great day.